and this is my roaming closet. Today I guess it's become a controversial Yes Oh Yes bag. Again, my name is Robin. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. And as always, a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I've met so many great YouTubers. And I got this, I think, once the beginning of this year or last year, and I didn't like it. So I think I canceled it after 1 or 2 months. And I didn't really see a lot of unboxings. Then about a month or so ago, there was about 3 or 4 YouTubers unboxing this, and I really liked it. So what did I do? I ordered 3 months of it. And because to me, the only way to tell is to probably get more than 1 month of something. And then I saw all this whatever about the people that own this and a couple other bags. And it was just kind of too much drama for me. I figured mine's coming in the mail. I'm going to judge for myself. So here it is. So let's see if it's as good as the other unboxings. The first one is Kaylin. And let me just see if there's a brochure in here. Sorry, I'm looking for the brochure. So that's not a brochure. It's a discount. Yeah, I don't see a brochure in here. So we're going to figure out what all these products are. This is a Kaylin, and it's a gel eyeliner in black. Okay, I'm giving it credit for the packaging. I don't see anything wrong with the packaging. You just have to be careful because sometimes when you get these gels, they're so dried out and cracked. But that looks fine. And if you take, I'm assuming you take off the top. I don't know. Oh, I pulled off the top. And look at the cute little brush. So I'm just going to try and just swatch it and see how it goes on. Probably have to do it a couple times, and I'm not the best. So that's what it looks like. And I see nothing wrong with the product, and I love the packaging. You just put that right back in there and you twist on. So that's the first product. And you're going to ask me how much this was. And I think this was a company that charges tax. So I want to say it was like $17 with the tax. But I will double check. And of course, I will leave a link and I will leave how much it was across the bottom here. The next thing looks to be either a lip liner or I'm thinking a lip liner. Let's see if it's got directions on here. It's by Sormay. It's an eyeliner brush. It's the 906. And it's got a really thin top. So I'm not going to take it. So I'm thinking you might be able to use it for this as well. So that was really nice packaging. And the next thing is a gel by Appeal in forest green. So I really like the color. I'm not going to take the plastic off of it. Well, maybe I will so we can swatch it. But, oh, so that's what the tip looks like. And let's see if we, oh, it goes on super smooth. Can you see that? So I'm definitely going to try this one. So far, out of these products, I see nothing wrong with them. And then there is Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. And I'm not going to open it because you know what they say about mascara. Once you open it, it kind of dries out. And the last thing in the box was 1, 2, 3, 4 is by Mora Stargazing Dream Series palette. The outside looks beautiful. And let's get, are you ready? Ooh, those are some super nice colors. There's a lot of blues. I'm looking to see if they got the names of them on the outside. And I don't. They're in the inside here, underneath. So, nothing wrong with this palette. And again, I don't see, oh wait, I lied. There's one more thing in here. It is Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics in the color Secret. And I'm thinking maybe an eyeshadow to go with the liner. I'm not sure. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a highlighter. Baked DIS highlighter. It's like a peachy color. I didn't know if you'll be able to see it with all my other stuff on there. So yeah, I want to say with the tax it was like $17. So I think this is a fantastic bag. Definitely worth the money. The palette is a beautiful palette. So please leave me comments below. Let me know what you thought of this. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.